Strawberry Parfait is a cold Western-style dessert served in a tall glass, featuring layers of whipped cream, ice cream, strawberry sauce, and fresh strawberries. The colorful and sweet and tangy dessert has delighted Japanese people for decades. Full recipes on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we make the strawberry sauce. Cook frozen strawberries and sugar in a pot over low heat. Once the strawberries release their juice, increase the heat to medium, cover with a lid, and cook for a few minutes. You can also use fresh strawberries, but frozen berries are convenient and always sweet. Break the strawberries apart with a spatula and continue cooking until the mixture slightly thickens. Allow it to cool to room temperature, then chill in a refrigerator. Next, we cut the fresh strawberries. Remove the stems and cut in half for half of the strawberries. These are going to be used for toppings. And dice the other half of the strawberries. We are going to mix them with the sauce. Add the diced strawberries in the chilled strawberry sauce and mix. Combine the heavy cream and sugar in a bowl and whisk to medium stiff peaks. And keep it chilled in the refrigerator until ready to use. Now we are going to assemble in a clear glass. Begin with a base of cornflakes. You can also use pieces of sponge cake or pound cake for a soft cake-like layer. Next, add the diced strawberries mixed with the sauce. Add a layer of whipped cream. If you use a piping bag like this, it's easy to put it in a glass. And add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Repeat the layer if the glass is tall enough. If you don't have a tall dessert glass, that's okay. You can use any glass you have at home. For example, this is a stemless wine glass which works just fine. Finish by arranging the fresh strawberries neatly on top. Strawberry parfait is a beautiful and delicious dessert. Hope you try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。